Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode of DevOps Fundamental Series, we are diving into secrets management. This is a vital part of building secure and scalable DevOps pipelines. We will focus on AWS Secrets Manager, that is a fully managed service that helps you store, retrieve, and rotate secrets like API keys, database credentials, and tokens. I will also show you how to integrate into your CI/CD pipelines or workflows to keep your automation secure. Let's get started. Okay, so why secret management matters? Secrets management is essential for protecting sensitive data. Hard coding secrets in your code or config files is risky. It can lead to leaks, breaches, and compliance violations. This AWS Secrets Manager helps you store secrets securely, control access, and rotate them automatically. This ensures your CI/CD pipelines are secure and your infrastructure remains compliant. AWS Secrets Manager is a fully managed service that simplifies secret storage and access. It supports automatic rotation using Lambda functions, integrates with IAM for fine-grained access control, and works seamlessly with the other AWS services like EC2, RDS, and Lambda. You can retrieve secrets securely via SDKs, CLI, or environment variables, which makes it ideal for cloud-native applications. These are some of the key features of Secrets Manager. Secrets Manager offers powerful features like encryption using AWS KMS, versioning for tracking changes, and audit logging for monitoring access. You can tag secrets for better organization and apply resource policies for cross-account access. These features make it scalable and secure enterprise grade for enterprise grade workloads. Let's talk about integration. Instead of storing secrets in your pipeline config, you can fetch them securely at runtime using AWS CLI or SDK. For example, in AWS Code Build, you can use environment variables to inject secrets. In GitHub Actions, you can use AWS CLI to retrieve secrets and pass them to your build steps. This keeps your automation secure and flexible. Okay, so today's demo, I will show you how to securely retrieve secrets from AWS Secrets Manager inside GitHub Actions workflow. First, we will store a JSON secret in Secrets Manager. For example, database credential. Then we will create an IAM user with permissions to access that secret and add its access keys to GitHub as encrypted secrets. Next, we will build a GitHub Actions workflow that uses AWS CLI to fetch the secret at runtime. This keeps sensitive data out of your code and ensures secure automation. We will also parse the secret using JQ and use it in a simulated build step. This approach is ideal for securely injecting credentials into CI/CD pipelines without compromising security or compliance. Okay, so logged into my AWS Management Console. So let's start by storing a secret in AWS Secrets Manager. I will search for Secrets Manager here. I will go to the Secrets Manager dashboard. Here I will click on Store a new secret and I will choose other type of secret. So I'm storing a JSON secret with the database username and password. So I will select plain text and add this JSON here that I already have with me, which has username and password for database. So I will click on next and then I will provide the secret name. I will just say my app DB credentials. I will add suffix to and I will click on next. I will leave the default settings, click on next, and after the summary, I will click on store. Okay, so the secrets are now successfully stored. Now we need a IAM user with permissions to access the secrets. So I will go to the IAM service. I search for IAM and click on that and go to the IAM dashboard. I will go to the users and click on create user. So I will name this user as GitHub CI user and click on next. We would want to attach a custom policy. So I will click on attach policy directly and click on create policy. I have a policy statement ready with me, which allows this user to access the secret manager. I will select JSON and paste my policy here. Great. So we need to replace this resource ARN with our secrets that we have created with the correct ARN, and I will copy and paste it here. Great. So it should now work. I will click on next, and policy name I will just give it GitHub CI policy, and scroll down, create policy. Great, the policy is now created. I will go back to the IAM dashboard and refresh here so that the policy is available. I will search for GitHub CI policy and select that. I will click on next and then create user. Great, the user is now created. So next, what we want to do is we want to download the access key and secret key for this user. I will click on that user and go to security credentials tab. Scroll down and click on create access keys. Select third party service because we are using GitHub as a third party here. And I will confirm and click on next. I will provide description like GitHub Actions and create access key. Great. So the access keys are now created. I will just copy them somewhere because we will need this in GitHub. I've copied the access key. I will also copy the secret access key, and that's it. We will click on done. Great. So we have copied the secret access key and access key ID. And now what we want to do is we want to go to the GitHub repository. So I will go to the GitHub. Uh, I will create a GitHub repository because I don't have one right now. I will click on new repository and I will name it as AWS Secrets Manager, let's say. And I will scroll down and click on create repository. Great. So the repository is now created. What we want to do is we want to add these credentials that we had copied from AWS console, the access key ID and secret key access. We have to add those into this repository. So I will go to the settings of this repository and a bit scroll down, click on secret and variables and click on actions. I will click on new repository secret. So the first thing we would want to create is we want to add is the access key ID. So I will mention access key ID and the value will be the one that we have copied. I will paste it in the secret box and add secret. Okay, so the access key ID is now added. What we want to add now is AWS secret access key. I will click on new repository secrets and specify the AWS secret access key, and the value would be the one that I have copied earlier and paste it. Add secret. Great. The third one and the last one will be AWS region that we want to add as a secret here. I will click on new repository secret and the name would be AWS region. So the region is basically US East 1. I will add it here and click on add secret. Great. So this secrets are now added. Next, we want to create a GitHub Actions workflow. So I will go to the repository and I will create a file called secrets manager demo.yaml. I will click on this create new file. I will specify the path. So basically we are creating the workflow file. So for that we need to follow a specific path, and the path is .github/workflows slash the file name. File name can be anything, but this path needs to be followed. So the file name is secrets manager demo.yaml. Great. So I have created the file. I will just add the content that I already have it here with me. I will copy this content that I have and will paste it here. So this is what it is doing. It is just checking out the code and then configuring AWS credentials and then retrieving secret that we had added in the AWS Secrets Manager. But before that, we want to fix this. So basically, what it is doing is AWS Secrets Manager CLI it is running, and then secret ID is my app DB credentials. But this is not the secret ID. The secret ID is my app DB credentials too. So we should replace this with the correct secret ID, and rest is good. Let's quickly commit this file. As soon as I commit this file, the workflow will get triggered. Once the workflow runs, it should print the secret. I will go to the actions and then the run. I will open this running job or the workflow. It is retrieving secret. It says GitHub user is not authorized on this. Okay, so let's quickly take a look in the policy that we had created, whether that was correct or not. Let's quickly verify. I'll go to the CFCI policy. I will look into the, I will edit this policy, and this looks correct. Okay, so the issue is with the region, basically. The region where this um, secret exists is the AP South 1, and the basically the job that we have created, the workflow. Let's quickly take a look in the workflow. Okay, so the region that we had specified in the settings, let's quickly take a look. I think we had specified the wrong region here. I will go to the secret and edit the secret. So the region should be AP South 1. I will update the secret. I will go to the Actions tab and open the last run that got failed. And I will just rerun this, refresh this, basically rerun the job. And let's quickly check whether this solved the issue. So this is waiting for the hosted runner. Okay, it's get started now. It is configuring credentials, now retrieving the secret, and that's it. So you can see the secret visible that we added in the AWS credentials. So we have successfully integrated AWS Secrets Manager into the GitHub Actions. This approach keeps your secret out of code and supports secure automation, and also works seamlessly with AWS IAM. To summarize, this AWS Secrets Manager is a powerful tool for managing secrets securely in your DevOps pipelines. It's a fully managed, integrated. It is a fully managed, and it also integrates with AWS services. It also supports secure automation. In our next video, we will explore container security fundamentals, that is, including how to scan container images for vulnerabilities and apply best practices to secure your workloads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. Thank you.